Okay, we're at Mitsuwa,
Yes.
and Hiro wants to do a barbecue, so we're picking up a couple things.
Yeah, I got a propane and the things on the top.
Yeah, a little torch with it's actually butane fuel. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Yeah.
DIY,
Yeah, exactly.
home cooking, and a hotel.
Exactly.
These gorgeous skies in LA. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And Hiro's all ready. He's got his gear, his knives, sharpening rod, of course makisu. Here's his tamago pan. He's walking around with his tamago pan.
Actually, here we don't have a plate.
Right.
So I'm gonna put down the meat on here, then I'm gonna touch it.
Oh, nice.
Right? So in this case, I'm gonna
a great idea.
this one here.
And that's what happens when you travel with a world-class chef. He thinks of everything.
And of course, so I'm gonna make some kind of yakiniku don.
Okay.
Yakiniku don.
Okay. Last time we did a ghetto sushi. Now we're doing.
Yeah. So which one you like to for your?
For me.
This is the miso flavor. This is the soy flavor.
Let's do soy.
So you go to soy. Okay.
And take a look at this beef. American Wagyu beef. Look at the marbling in it. It looks really, really good. And not expensive at all. Look at it, $8.95. And that's roughly half a pound. Just over half a pound. This over here, this is $8.63, and it's just over half a pound as well. Okay, this is so awesome. So we're ready, Hiro.
Yeah,
and I'm hungry.
I'm gonna make a room service.
That wasn't on the card.
Yeah, room service here.
This is better than room service.
Today's
You even had your apron.
Wagyu yakiniku don. Yeah, because I'm working this hotel. I'm working room service chef.
Well, you gotta tell us where you work so we can.
You called me up last night and you wanna eat the Wagyu donburi, so I went to Torrance, the Mitsuwa market, to register all the stuff.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay?
Let's show you.
Yeah. So I don't know why I have all my.
You got everything, yeah.
Yes.
Got your apron.
You know,
I love it.
so like that. Open this. Look at that meat.
Beautiful.
Nice. You know?
Oh yeah.
Let's see. You know, I'm gonna put them here. For now. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the salt and pepper. Actually, I'm gonna put it here for now.
Okay. The last time we were here in LA, we did that ghetto sushi. Went to Mitsuwa marketplace and we picked up the sushi and you made like a bowl. That was fun. This is just another level because we're always like walking by Mitsuwa and we see all this beautiful food. I'm like, oh my god, we can't even cook it. We have no place to cook it. So now we thought about it and now this is what's happening. No, we don't recommend doing this. Unless you're a trained chef, right, Hiro?
Yeah. No. You're going to burn down the whole hotel.
Oh my goodness. It's good there's a sprinkler in this room.
Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna first one by one, okay?
Okay.
So this one. This is the rice. It's already made one. I should just put in the microwave. Flip it.
Oh, what's the directions?
Just flip open this corner just a little bit.
Okay.
Like that.
And how long?
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay,
that's
perfect. Let's get another look at this. Cooked sticky rice. That's awesome.
Okay, during the 1 minute,
Okay.
I'm gonna do cook the beef now.
All right. So you just have salt and pepper,
Yeah,
right?
salt and pepper only. And I have a yakiniku sauce. So today we have that's a kind of gyukaku brand, but this is one is a soy flavor.
Okay.
Here's a miso flavor. No, this is shoyu flavor. Shoyu dare with a miso.
Okay.
This is only soy flavor.
All right.
So you prepare the soy side. So
That's great.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Let's show what we're using. so good.
Yeah,
Hiro.
this is Wagyu, so you don't need to wait. Treat it the same as like last time we made Wagyu.
Smells so good.
Right? So you don't need to always.
And you didn't even put any oil, right? That's just naturally
no.
from the oil, from the fats.
Right. You just do like that. You don't need to well done, you know. Almost like raw meats.
That's good.
It's okay for you, right?
Looks really good. The quality of the meat is so good too. Let me tell you what, it smells delicious. Check out this rice.
All the way.
How's it? Steaming.
Yeah, it's very, very hot.
Okay, very hot, and you're holding it like nothing.
Like that. So then you're gonna do it's on the rice.
Wow.
You like rare. This is Wagyu, so very nice quality of the meat. So I'm gonna additional beef more. So
Yeah, we have another whole half a package left.
there you go.
More than half.
Right. You can,
So this is basically a quarter pound. Look at this.
you can start to eat it right now. So I'm gonna do like put that here. Yeah. There's sauce. Like that.
Wow.
Okay.
Let me tell you, this took a minute to make the rice and another couple of minutes to just
Right.
kind of sear the beef.
Okay. So this is actually for you. I'm gonna cook
For me,
more
really?
rice. So
Okay.
okay.
Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
We're going to keep
Yeah.
cooking and see. Let me try it. Let me do a tasting real quick. Okay. Let me do a tasting real quick. I never had Wagyu beef in my own hotel room by a room service chef. I feel very honored, Hiro. Let me try this beef. Look at that. Can you guys see this? Wow. I had my doubts about the rice, but more so about the beef because it wasn't really cooked on a metal grill. But let me tell you, with that flame alone, that's awesome. What a great flavor. And with this rice, oh, I can't. Let me see how soft this rice is. Take a look. It's like Korean white rice, like sticky rice. Still steaming. Yo, that is amazing.
Good, right?
So good. So good. How's it going?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, it's good.
You keep looking out the window, Hiro.
Yeah.
Are you worried that they're gonna catch us?
Yeah, maybe those people wanna.
They're gonna smell this barbecue and they go, hey, there's barbecue coming from the hotel room. Can we have some? Actually, I cracked open the window a little bit, but I'm trying to get the smell out.
Yes.
Wow, you guys take a look at this beef. It smells so good. It's so easy to do. That's the crazy part. You know?
I'm gonna taste this one.
You do a tasting.
Very soft, man.
Good, right? There's no sauce on it, but still good. The rice is awesome. So good. Look at this beef. This beef is just like melt in your mouth. Amazing. Marbling. It's so soft and tender. Oh. And so easy to make.
Pretty easy to make.
Yes. Just get a torch and go to your local Home Depot, Lowe's, and you can make this at home. Just find the right beef. Let's see the tasting, Hiro. So good, right? Let me tell you, I had a bite earlier. Unbelievable. Delicious. And the rice is great too. I'm surprised it was that great. It's a right balance of moisture. When you microwave it for a minute, it's super soft. Who needs to go out and eat at a fine dining restaurant, Hiro?
Very good.
So good, right? Oh shit.
Oh my god, smoke.
That's crazy.
Oh my God.
Stop
Smoke.
stop doing what you do.